All right, everybody. That's a crazy pause. All right. Today's Wednesday. We have no news, I don't think. Nothing important. We have Asian high or Asia high, London low. Bada bing, bada bing. Now, ES did take out London high. We're still in this weekly imbalance. Daily, there's not a whole lot going on. We do have this daily imbalance here and this new week opening gap, which we might start to head towards. Mm, we'll have to see. What the fuck is that? um, so bam, bam, bam. We do have an SMT. Check. We are in a higher time frame fair value gap. I would take on the lagging pair. But we do have this hourly up there. Right. Okay. Okay. We scale back in. Let's do the 15 minute. We have this 15-minute OB here. I would probably say the OB's up here on this because I don't really know if that's a green candle. Anyway, tapped it perfectly and are coming back up. Now we do have, we're reacting pretty nicely off. Well, there actually might be a trade here. We do have this 15-minute fair value gap though, but I do want to see price go higher, so maybe it doesn't matter. 15-minute OB, we have this 15-minute thing. Thingamajiggy. Thingamajiggy. We took out this low, we took out this low again. If we come back down, you could enter here. This would be like a paper trade. I want to see if it works. One thing I am going to point out is that we've had pretty shit volume this Asian and London session. Like this is on the 5 minute, right? These candles are only like, that's like 8 points, and that's like a big one. This biggest candle here is 465 to 480, which is like what, 15 points? But that's in 15 or 5 minutes. So the volume right now is pretty low. We're looking into this 5 minute and are respecting it. Let's see if we tap this OB. We kind of got kind of close, but let's see. It would be something like this. And this is also a 1 minute fair value gap now. Connect, because I want to actually take this on paper, because it's 9 o'clock. 9:09. But I want to wait to see actually to see if this ends up working out. Anyway, but I do got to keep in mind we do have an SMT, but it does seem like we want to go higher. You know, like if we got a 15-minute candle closure down here, different story. But we didn't. We're actually respecting this pretty nicely. We do have a this is another order block. So on both time frames, you could take that. I would honestly probably take this on my Express account if it was at New York Open. I probably would. This is also there's a 5 minute OB right here though. We took out this high, we broke structure to the downside, we revisited it. Your OB is right here. And we wicked it. But my overall bias is higher though. Actually, we do have, I would probably wait to take this to see if we inverse this 15 minute. But I am gonna paper trade this. Actually, no, just turn that off. Bam. But like reasons why this isn't really nice is we do have a higher time frame SMT, right? And it's at a key level. It's at London's high. I'm trying to have it exact. There you go. Bam. Stops would be down here, I'm not gonna lie. We could do a little bit below, but it would be like right there. 200 bucks, which is honestly a pretty good stop. Target is up here. Nice little like two risk to reward. We'll see if it ends up working. Anyway, so overall bias though. Can I hide all these drawings? My this is in the way. Anyway, overall, like ignore that. Overall bias though is bullish though, or bearish, I think. Actually, I'm 50-50. I don't know. I mean, if you just look on the 15 minute, we're moving sideways here. So it's like, what are we doing? I want to come on here and say that, like, I didn't take anything yet, but shorts right here was pretty nice. 15, I mean, SMT, 15-minute fair value gap, 1 minute, all that bullshit. 5 minute here, which we were still respecting. You scaled down, we had this nice. Now, the only thing that's kind of iffy is the inverse. I don't really, it doesn't necessarily, we didn't actually inverse it here. And then we just fucking fell. Let me see if did ES inverse it nicely? We did. What time? 9:48. Right here. If we inverse this nicely at the same time, that would have been a nice trade. But we didn't. Alright, we wicked back up into this hourly inverse. Bam. We're in a 3 minute. I do want to see this previous day low get swept. But, maybe we want to go back up to it, maybe you want to go up over here. I doubt it though. And I have to leave kind of soon. Honestly, think there were any trades? Honestly, I don't think there were any trades since 9:30 opened because, like, I know all of the confluences, order blocks, propulsion blocks, fucking uh, what's the other one? Rejection blocks, whatever. We had nothing. I mean, you could have caught maybe a little bit of a long for 20, 30 points, but this isn't really a nice inverse. And I'm not gonna enter here and have 38 points is honestly not too bad. I'm not gonna lie. Actually, you could have entered here. It's just I would have preferred to enter, a little bit higher up. This never inversed it, right? No, it didn't. So and this is going down. If we get like a candle closure, never mind. I was gonna say a candle closure like wherever where we create a 1 minute gap. We could look to short off this 1 minute gap with stops. I would honestly probably do it. I would do it at this high, but I'll do like maybe a little bit above. And target this previous day low, which would almost be a 3 risk to reward. But we never created a 1 minute fair value gap. So what you gonna do? Delete this. This was nice. I understand why. It just didn't really give me an entry. Like we didn't even have any 1 minutes here get respected, or any 2 minutes, or any 3 minutes, five, and right, and so on. We just fucking fell. So I'm gonna probably come back after class around 1:30, and we'll see if I've taken a trade. Maybe before I leave for school or at class, but I'm gonna see you guys later. I could do it. SMT's actually the SMT is up here. Wait a minute. I want to see one more thing. Yeah, we have a 5 minute SMT as well right here inside of this 5 minute. Like I get why we fell. It just we never got a good inverse. We never got an entry. Unless you're just entering like off a break of structures. I'm not. I don't fucking know. I'm gonna see you guys later. Alright, everybody. I just took a fucking loss. I'm not even gonna go over. I didn't mean to. I'm not even gonna go over it because it was fucking stupid. But I just wanted to tell you guys the price action today. Price action today was actually not even bad. Um, I was gonna take this, but I was at school, and this is actually a good example. Or no, actually, this one's a good example. Actually, but we'll keep that one to go over. Motherfucker. Okay, yeah, it's still there. So we have this trade that I was thinking about taking, but I didn't. Why? Because we didn't technically inverse this, right? Now, the market doesn't move perfectly, right? And I know that. It moves. There's something in my teeth. It moves like sport, like it doesn't. Wow, I wish I could cut that out. It doesn't move, precisely all the time. This, if you really zoom in, it's not an inverse. However, it might be fucking close enough because, and I only say that because, oh my god, it fucking fell like 400 or 500 points. Um, and honestly, your risk was not even that, like, not even that bad. Stops at these highs, targets are, down there, and it was beautiful. I mean, it was instant money. And so from now on, if we get an inverse, kind of like this, because it happened on both pairs, let me show you. It came so close. Is this it right here? Yeah. So on here, we actually didn't even inverse it on ES yet. So I honestly probably wouldn't. I don't know. It just, I hate seeing this, right? And like, oh, we didn't technically inverse it, so I'm gonna wait. And then it just shits the bed. I mean, but you could have caught an opportunity here. Like there was plenty of opportunities to short. I just uh didn't take any of them. And I was gonna take this short. Only reason why I didn't take it was because again, we didn't inverse it until the next candle. And by that time it was kind of almost too late. Uh, we had OB or wait a minute, take this out. Yeah, we had an order block, just eyeing it. But what happened? We fell a shit ton, and yeah. So I wanted to take those trades, and then I was forcing trades here, and I lost. What are you gonna do? Besides fucking rage. This isn't like this is a 15-minute fair value. I got 1 minute CISD happened right here. So this is technically your order block and CISD, which is the same fucking shit. We tapped it. I just screened it all right. We tapped it. We came down. I wouldn't actually take this once we inverse the five. But we did tap into new week opening gap, and we haven't. Took a stupid fucking how much? $300 loss. It was so fucking stupid, dude. I fucking hate it, dude. Look at my performance stats. 58.33% win rate or trade winning thing. And we've had one winning trade last week. Didn't trade. This should have been a little win. No trade. Fucking little loss. I don't know. Like I was saying before, um, I have to fucking place a trade in the morning because I I end up losing, and I know why. And I know why. If I don't take a trade by like 12 o'clock, I take stupid shit because by 12 o'clock the move has already. Well, actually, where's 12 o'clock? Here, like this. I don't know. It's just take stupid trades, and we just shit the bed the whole day. Like, look at these, like New York Opens. That's not even New York Open. Like, there's New York Open. That was yesterday. That's why I didn't take a fucking trade yet. No, this is yesterday. No, that's today. Yeah, look at this. I don't know. It's just fucking bullshit. I hate it. Anyway, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is delete all the fucking. I had perfect analysis. I just didn't find an execution. It kills me. It fucking kills me. Like, is there a 2 minute? No, just. You could have caught a piece of the pie here. This was at 10 o'clock. And I saw us consolidating. I thought we would. Like, oh my, look at these fucking candles. What the fuck is this? And to be fair though, each candle here is 20 points. But that's like why you should have entered probably like. Now, when it comes to fair value, guys, I'm not gonna enter when the candle closes. Like, wait for a bearish reaction, because I mean, I take this. If we're waking up into this and there's only a few seconds left before the candle closes, and like we're around here, you could enter. Oh my god, reset. Alright, I just fucking flashed my IP address by accident, but this would actually, your stock would actually go up here. But this would be the trade. I mean, you were in this bitch for a long time. And I probably say take profit and go break even here, which we actually do end up hitting. And you never actually got stopped out at break even. So this is just fucking messy. But you got 100 points. I probably would have done. How many points is this? 30 something? 34? I probably would have done like, I don't know, 5, 6 times. I think at least half. I honestly probably, do we hit? I don't know, it doesn't fucking. But when I take stupid trades, what happens? I lose. And then it's either I take stupid trades and I lose, or I don't trade. So I'm just sitting here with my fucking hands tied. Fucking hate it. But one actual winning day wipes everything out, and that's how it should be. Anyway, I'm gonna see you guys fucking tomorrow. Um, so tomorrow we actually have news tomorrow. Uh, yeah, we have 8:30 news, so we'll see what fucking happens. I'm gonna see you guys then.